Pertandingan tinju legendaris antara Mike Tyson versus Tony Tucker yang berlangsung pada tanggal 1 Agustus 1987 memperebutkan gelar juara dunia kelas berat versi WBA, WBC, dan IBF atau sering disebut sebagai unifikasi gelar. Las Vegas akan menjadi sejarah ketika dua raksasa dari divisi kelas berat bertarung memperebutkan supremasi sejati dalam dunia tinju. Ini bukan sekedar laga, ini adalah penentuan siapa yang pantas disebut sebagai juara sejati atau sang raja tanpa tanding. Tony Tucker berdiri tegap dan percaya diri, pemegang gelar IBF yang juga belum merasakan kekalahan, mempunyai tekad membungkam keraguan dan membuktikan bahwa dia bukan sekedar penghalang, tapi penantang sejati. Mike Tyson, sang petinju muda sensasional, tak terkalahkan, bengis, dan penuh daya ledak, pemegang gelar juara WBA dan WBC di usianya yang masih 21 tahun, ia telah mengguncang dunia tinju dengan kekuatan dan kecepatan yang luar biasa, menghancurkan siapapun yang berani berdiri di depannya. Langsung saja kita saksikan pertarungan dari dua petinju tak terkalahkan ini. Dimulainya ronde pertama Mike Tyson dengan ciri khasnya yang selalu tampil agresif dengan langsung memberikan tekanan kepada lawan-lawannya sejak berronde dibunyikan. Mendapat perlawanan yang kuat dari seorang Tony Tucker yang menahan kebrutalan Mike Tyson dan berhasil memenangkan kartu skor juri pada ronde pertama dan ronde ketiga.
Again a right hand, but he took a right from Tyson. And another big right by Mike Tyson. And particularly for Tucker. A great left hand at the bell by Tyson. He's putting 3-4 punches together, and he's following up with left uppercut. You know, Ray, I hearken back to your fight with Marvin Hagler, where after the first round there was good body shot by Tyson. That's exactly what Kevin Rooney was telling him to do in the corner. Time. Get out of the corner. There was a good right hand again by Tucker. Catching Tyson on the way in. He's finished with the left hook, Barry. Right hand by Tucker again. But they're uppercuts, Barry. You notice they're uppercuts. Again, he's tying this man out. Frustration should show the face of Mike Tyson. Left hand by Tyson. And that was the one big punch. And another one. You see this? What a good shot. And Tyson. But every time that Tucker stands still, you notice a big left hook lands from Mike Tyson.
Ronde kelima hingga ronde ketujuh momentum kembali kepada Mike Tyson. Tony Tucker menandai titik lemah dengan pergerakan kaki yang semakin melambat akibat tekanan body shot dari Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson lebih leluasa untuk mengendalikan jarak dan lebih efektif melemparkan pukulan-pukulan keras.
Tyson got the better of that exchange. Be less of a target. Left miss, right was right there. This fight is winnable. Did you see that? Tucker's going to want him by pushing the man off. And there was a big right hand. Tucker, and he took another right hand, got cute, and paid the price. I think he's watched my fight before. Yeah, I think he has too. I think his timing is not as good as yours. See, Mike is not able to get set. He's not able to set his punches up to land on Tucker's point. But there was a rumor about Tyson's, or rather Tucker's right hand, that he had injured his right hand, and that's why he backed off training. Once again, Tucker trying to get cute, and again getting the worst of it, still mugging with Tyson, which brings the crowd alive. When you do that, and I know experience because I invented it. You be very careful because you're so vulnerable for a counter punch.
Ronde ke-8 pertarungan berubah menjadi perang taktik. Tony Tucker mencoba menahan Mike Tyson dengan cara apapun, menahan, mengunci, hingga menarik. Mike Tyson yang mulai frustasi namun tetap fokus. Meski tak banyak pukulan bersih mendarat dari kedua petinju, namun kontrol dari Mike Tyson di atas ring tetap mendominan.
That was a right hand by Tucker. So. There's a right hand by Tucker that backed Tyson off. With his jab now. Fast left jab of Mike Tyson.
All right, watch the Mike. Come on, watch the head. Come on. Time. Whoa.
Now has not been able to land the kind of punches we've seen in the past. And the reason for that is because the way that Tony Tucker has approached this fight.
All right.
Like that. Throw a jab, then step in. Get close. Now come. There we do, brother. This jab will get him closer to the taller man, Tucker, and then he can throw his punches. Once again, though, you see what's happening here. Now he's not following Tucker. Now he's inside again. The jab once again as he with their chins first. Tyson was a little.
Watch that head.
The reason there's frustration is because of what Tucker's doing. He's tying his man up. Those are the antics there. Sometimes work. Tucker's fighting a great fight.
Pada ronde terakhir, kedua petinju meledak dengan amukan terakhir mereka. Tony Tucker melemparkan pukulan-pukulan terbaiknya sepanjang malam. Tyson membalasnya dengan kombinasi ke tubuh dan kepala. Kedua petinju tetap berdiri hingga akhir tanpa knockdown. Namun ada pertunjukan ketangguhan luar biasa dari kedua petinju.
Crowd getting a little tired of that. Tucker seems to be fighting the kind of fight that he thinks he's winning. There was a big left hand. Tucker says, no, I'm all right. Tyson finishing with a flourish. And so is Tucker. Great finish. To a pretty entertaining evening. It's over.
Well, Tony Tucker talked the talk and walked the walk. He fought him. Knew that he was. The old saying in boxing, you never know how.
Usahanya pertandingan, Mike Tyson dinyatakan sebagai pemenang lewat keputusan mutlak dengan skor 118-113, 119-111, dan 116-112 untuk kemenangan Mike Tyson. Dengan kemenangan ini, Mike Tyson menjadi juara dunia kelas berat tak terbantahkan, dan ini merupakan laga pertama kalinya Mike Tyson yang berlangsung selama 12 ronde.
And undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Iron Mike Tyson.